he's running. He's
Look,
running.
he's on the roof.
He's on the roof.
Catch him.
Catch him. Catch him.
Look, he's running
Hey,
there.
catch him.
Somebody
Don't let
catch
him
him.
go.
Where did he come from? Hey, they ruined my shop.
He
Yes,
even
yes,
tripped
see?
over your
Hey,
basket.
what
who
he's
is
done.
this?
Hey, look at him.
Catch him, catch him. He's a
Hey,
black thief.
don't let
Catch
him
him.
go.
Catch
Don't
him,
let him
catch him.
go.
He's a black thief.
He's a thief.
Oh my God!
What is he
Where
doing?
did he
I
come
don't know.
from?
And he
Somebody
has
catch
ruined
him.
my
What has he
shop.
done?
Move! Black thief! There's a bounty of 5,000 coins on your head assigned by the king.
Attention, attention, everyone. Today there are going to be celebrations to spread peace.
Very
good.
Very good.
Very good.
You cannot escape the king's army, black thief! Catch him, catch him!
Catch him.
कभी नहाना ऐसा है मन मौजी वो हर दुश्मन को ये मिटाते हंस के तो कभी नहाना ऐसा है मन मौजी वो
I will be waiting for you, black thief!
The soldiers of 11 nations are looking for the Black Thief. Oh. But it is not just difficult to catch the Black Thief, it is impossible.
Give me, please. Give me some. He's back. He's here. He's here.
Give me some.
I want some.
Give me some. Even I want to take some. Can you give me
Yes,
some?
me too.
One more.
All right, dear. Maybe it wasn't in my destiny. I would have surely gotten something if I was fortunate enough.
Grandma, nothing's in the fate. We have to write it ourselves. There you go. There's a man named Akhtar in the market. He collects antiques. If you sell it over there, you'll get a better price.
Thank you, dear.
And also, where perfume and go. I'll tell you that he's an antique collector.
Naughty boy. What is your name?
Aladdin. You might have heard about me.
May God bless you with a long life, Aladdin.
What will I do with a long life? I have to serve Uncle Mustafa for the rest of my life. What will I give him now? Grandma, this is very valuable. Keep this safe and hidden.
Okay.
And yes, Grandma, can I take this pouch?
Yes.
Thank you, Grandma.
The black thief is very sly. I hurt my knee because of him.
You're right. My mother says that consuming turmeric infused milk relieves all the pain. And now you also drink it.
Yes, thank you.
Oh my god.
When Aladdin will return with the royal vase?
Today, Uncle will definitely oust my mother and me.
Well, look, Aladdin is here.
Why are you late? Now hand over the royal vase. Hand it over.
Uncle, Dad, actually there was an old lady who was begging and I gave it to her.
You did a great job, dear.
Dad?
You moron. You gave the royal vase to a beggar?
Listen, my brother, this is so wrong. If you wanted to give it to beggar, then why didn't you consider my father?
Uncle, I have something more valuable for you than that. It's much more valuable than that was.
Really?
Yes.
What is it? Come on, show it to me.
I have something that's gonna change your entire life. I don't have just a treasure, it's a whole treasure chest.
What?
Yes, brace yourselves. I have got a bowl for you.
A bowl. What is this?
What is this?
What's this? This. Uncle, this is not an ordinary bowl. This is Adam's bowl. Prophet Adam used to eat food in this bowl.
अल्लाह के नाम पे दे रे बाबा बाबा आदम का कटोरा है रे बाबा
This really seems like Adam's bowl.
Uncle, it really is Adam's bowl. Just look at the intricate carvings.
There are no carvings.
Where is it?
Uncle, did people know how to carve during those days?
Carving during those days. They didn't know how to carve. Aladdin is my dearest.
Oh,
Today you have made me very happy by giving me this valuable bowl. I will reward you by giving you 2. No, not 2.
3?
I'll give you 1 coin. Go and enjoy, dear. Go on. Adam's bowl.
Gulbadan's father! Just tell me, where the heck are you?
Hey! Mother, my darling mother.
Leave me.
Here you go.
You have taken after your father. You know, even he used to hand over all his earnings to me like this. Had he been alive now, he would have been very happy to see you work hard and earn money.
Are you looking at stars in the morning? Why didn't you answer me?
Gulbadan's mother, you always complain that I never gave you anything, right? I have brought a precious gift for you today. Adam's bowl.
Up! I swear on gold coins. I wish you were ginger.
Why?
Then I could have at least crushed you with a pestle.
Why?
This is not Adam's bowl. It is Salim's bowl from Loha Lane. That scoundrel Aladdin fooled you once again. Aladdin! Aladdin!
Are you a ginger dad?
I'm thankful to God that my son is not like that black thief. He robs every house in the city. If I ever find him, I shall beat the pulp out of him, and he will never forget that.
Mom, we should not curse anyone like this. Huh? How do we know what situations turned him into a thief? And besides, nobody is born a thief. He becomes a thief due to hunger, poverty, society, or his uncle.
What?
I mean the circumstances, Mom. Circumstances turn someone into a thief. Yeah.
Forget all of this. Tell me, are you hungry? The entire city is preparing for the peace feast. So even I have prepared sheer khurma for you. Have it. It is hot, okay? Take it to your room. The kitchen roof leaks.
In that case, it would be fun to have it here, Mom. I will have my fill today.
God has gifted you with so much enthusiasm. You never see any problem as a problem.
Aladdin!
I'm done for.
Aladdin?
Aladdin!
Hey, Aladdin!
Where the heck is that boy? Come out! Come out, I said! Aladdin!
Hey, Sister Nazneen, what happened? Why are you calling Aladdin on the top of your voice?
I have a voice. Why shouldn't I use it? But let me tell you something, Rukhsar. Nothing should be given free to cheap people like you. Oh, my. Sheer Korma. You must have spent so much money on it. You pay the lowest rent of all, but you waste so much money on all this. Huh.
Sister Nazneen, we count the happiness that comes into our house, not the money that comes to the house.
How nice. Forget all this nonsense. Just tell me, where is that useless son of yours? Aladdin!
Enough, sister. Do not call my son useless, okay?
Oh, my. So much arrogance. Have you forgotten that we've done a big favor on you and your son by keeping you in our house? Or else, after what your husband did, nobody was ready to give you a place to stay. The father was a fugitive and the son is a thief.
Enough, sister-in-law. That's it. Had anyone else said this in your place, I would have tied her hair to a goat's tail and chased the goat away. I would have slapped her face with both my hands on her cheeks. Her face would have turned so red that the monkeys would have mistaken her for their mother. But you are elder to me in the house. What can I say to you? But I would definitely say this to you. We are from the family of Ibn Battuta. We do not keep favors of anyone. Stay right here. My son. She's yelling at my son. Here you go. You are elder to me. Keep it as a gift from me.
It is real. Hey, move aside.
Sister-in-law Nazneen feels that my son Aladdin is useless. But she'll see one day. My son will become a successful man.
Not just successful, I'm gonna be super successful. Just like a prince. Then one of my feet on ground and another to the sky.
Heck no! That way your pants will tear off. This is what you want, right? Your mother should stitch your torn pants, right? Tell me.
Mom, this was just an example. And about the pajamas, there's not gonna be any scarcity.
That is right. All your dreams will definitely come true.
My dream will definitely come true, Mom. I was just 7 years old when I first got a glimpse. It was love at first sight. Half of the deal has been confirmed from my side. The other half will also be confirmed once you look into my eyes. I wonder how the princess would be. Princess Jasmine. More delicate than a rose can be. She must be full of grace. She must be shy and demure. When we meet, nobody will come between the two of us. Yasmin. No.
Hey, what are you doing here? Come on, go inside. Can't you see I'm chopping onions here?
That's it, Mom. I can't bear to see you told like this anymore. I think we should get a daughter-in-law to take care of my old mother.
Old? Do I look old to you? I'll trash you with my sandals and teach a lesson.
I was just joking.
So tell me, what kind of a girl do you want to marry?
Who would be the candy of my eyes?
Do you want to marry a confectioner's daughter?
Come on, Mom.
I know very well that my son will marry Princess Yasmin, isn't it?
Yes, Mom. And you know what? Tomorrow is the last day of the royal banquet. Princess Yasmin's procession will be taken out tomorrow, and I will go to see her.
But are you planning to go to see her in these clothes?
Yes.
Be here, I'll just be back.